Good morning. We have a Bosch dishwasher. The customer's complaint was that they were getting E15 error code. The E15 error code is usually water leakage under the dishwasher. Very common problems are this. It's called the water solenoid valve. This leaks over time. You see this area between this plastic and the steel piece over there, right inside in that area. There's a plastic sleeve that gets inserted inside and it shuts the water. There's a plunger inside that opens the solenoid valve, opens it and closes it. So long story short, this is very common problem with these dishwashers. If this is not the problem, then it could be the water distribution. It's a circular piece that goes in the sump pump. It could be a drain hose that has a hole or maybe a mouse chewed on it. Your drain pump can also cause leakage if it's not draining properly, or even if the drain pump seal is defective, it will also cause water leakage. And anytime you get E15 error code, that's the water leakage on these dishwashers. This Kenmore is made by this is a Bosch dishwasher but made by Kenmore. I got here today and I pulled the unit out. Of course, I have this sheet to protect the flooring. The customer had the power off already. I turned off the water from under the sink and I was able to pull the dishwasher out. It's very tight fit because of the gasket and insulation used there. I had to really pull it out and to reinstall it back in. It was not an easy job, but I'm glad I got it done. So the problem here today is that the customer used extra soap by mistake. What happens is when you have this basket, the dishwasher basket in here, if you ever have any kind of issues with the dispenser and it drops the soap here, because the basket is in front of you, you cannot see it there. So what happens as a customer, you will add another soap here and then you start the dishwasher. Now you're using too much soap, and what happens when you use too much soap, you see all of this suds. This sud, after a running of a cycle, I got this issue. So that means we still have soap here after the empty cycle was done. If you have that much soap and suds, that means you're using extra soap here. And on this unit, we did not need any part to be replaced, and the whole problem was extra soap being used here. I showed the customer how to run a cycle for 1 or 2 cycles to get rid of all of this soaps and suds, and then the dishwasher is going to work perfectly fine. Anytime you get water leakage, if you have too much water under the dishwasher where there's a float switch, you may want to use a shop vacuum or towels to wipe and drain all the water out from there. But she was having this issue 1 or 2 days ago, and because of that, she was not able to use the dishwasher. She had the power off, and of course half of the water evaporated, and there was a little bit of water when I pulled the dishwasher out. So the way customer is going to use this dishwasher for another 1 or 2 cycles is she's going to turn it on, select a normal cycle, start, and then she's going to run the dishwasher for 5 minutes. It's going to splash water inside of the dishwasher back and forth. 5 minutes is enough. Once it mixes all the water and soap together, she will get suds again there. And then, of course, she's running it for 5-7 minutes. That's enough for all the water and suds to get together, mixed up. After that, after 5-7 minutes, she's going to press this start button where it says cancel, hold 3 seconds. She's going to hold this for 5 seconds, not 3 seconds, just to be safe. After 5 seconds, she's going to remove her finger, and then the dishwasher will drain all the water and suds from the dishwasher out under the sink where it drains. And then after that, she's going to turn off the dishwasher, wait for a couple of seconds, all the light goes off. She's going to turn it back on and start another cycle. She can start a normal cycle, or I recommend going for a different cycle. That way the drain pump will also work double time. So she's gonna select the pots and pans, and then she's gonna start the dishwasher again, wait another 5 minutes or 7 minutes. After 5-7 minutes, she's gonna do the same thing. She's gonna repeat. She will press this cancel button, or this stays start, but with this button you can start and cancel the cycle. She will press it again for 5 seconds, and then it's gonna drain again, and then she can use her just regular cycles, and then the dishwasher is gonna work perfectly fine. See, it's filling with water again. If I let it sit for another 5 minutes, it's gonna fill more, and then it's gonna wash, splash water all over the places, get the water and soap mixed up, and then she will get suds again underneath there where the sump inside is, and then she will cancel it. Thank you so much.